More than 20 states, 22 is the exact number, have sued the Trump administration over the president's order, which is an attempt to end birthright citizenship. I spoke with Democratic Attorneys General of Michigan, New Jersey, and Nevada before inauguration about Trump's pledge to do this very thing.
I wouldn't consider us the resistance. What we are individuals who believe in the rule of law. And as long as the rule of law is followed, we're fine. But the moment the rule of law is violated, we will be there to defend it.
These attorneys general say they are not spoiling for a fight with the new Trump administration, but they see the threat of mass deportations as an early flashpoint.
I think it's one thing to think about it in theory. It's another thing to see how it's implemented in practice. And I think there are going to be a lot of Trump voters that are sort of in for a rude awakening when they see what it actually looks like.
Trump officials have said family separation and large deportation camps could be part of its mass deportation push.
We have a large population of immigrants in our state, and every Nevadan has constitutional rights. And to the extent these policies violate constitutional rights of people in my state, I will stand against that.
Add to that Mr. Trump's challenge to birthright citizenship protections historically upheld by federal courts.
Going after birthright citizenship, going after American kids of people who have been here, who've committed no crimes. Those are Americans in many cases. Birthright citizenship is in the Constitution. If that's what he decides to do, then yes, we're prepared to stand up to that.
It's likely that our states are going to become less safe. Our communities may become less safe because we're not going after violent criminals, because that attention is going to be diverted towards going towards people who are not violent offenders.
Democratic AGs sued President Trump more than 150 times during his first term. They've been preparing and coordinating legal defenses for his second term for nearly a year.
Elections have consequences, and we all acknowledge that.
Presidents win elections. They are not kings. We took an oath, each one of us, to uphold the Constitution of our states and the Constitution of this country. And that's what we're going to do.
And if the president-elect says, as he very well might, I'll see you at the Supreme Court and I'll probably win.
I get the reality. I understand the reality. Am I disappointed in some of the decisions that the Supreme Court has come out with over the course of years? Sure. But I also believe that we have to continue to arbitrate these in our judicial system.